Okay, so Brittany, what do you plan on doing Friday?
Going to Bricktown and eating good.
Oh yeah.
You laughed so much, I can't do it.
Here, you heard me doing it. Ready?
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Don't do it, the shoe untied. My shoes are tied on the inside of my shoes.
Mine aren't. Okay, you ready, Brittany? Getting all serious?
Don't laugh. That's the thing that makes me laugh.
It actually sounds like a horse on one of them. You're like.
Really?
What are you doing? Is that entertaining?
Your horsies.
You ready? Brittany, you should say, I'm a pretty stallion. Wait.
How do you do it?
I'm a pretty stallion.
I can't do this seriously.
We need Tim for that.
If you...
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
No!